In this video, I'm going to show you how to import passwords to 1Password. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a web browser, head on to my.1password.com and sign into your account. Now, once we've done that, we want to go ahead and click onto our account, click on import data. Now we can choose what type of data we want to import. So we can do my browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge. If you've got a password manager, you can go ahead and import data from there. So you could have LightPass, Bitwarden, Dashlane, etc. or somewhere else. So that can be a spreadsheet, CSV, depending where your passwords are saved and you want to import, just go ahead and choose that. But for me, I'm going to choose Chrome for this demonstration. So now it's going to show you steps of how to do this. So now this is from Chrome, so I need to go ahead, turn off backup software first, and then click on the three dots button in the Chrome toolbar, select password and autofill, and then click Google Password Manager, click settings, click download file in the export password section, enter the password you use to log into your computer, save chrome.password.csv file to your desktop. So let's go ahead and do this. So I need to click on the three dots, click onto password and autofill, and then Google Password Manager. Now it says download, click download in the export password section. But first we need to click onto settings here. Now from here it says export passwords. After you finish using the downloaded file, delete it so that others who use this device can't see your password. So go ahead and download it. I need to put in my computer password if you got one. And now I'm going to just choose my documents like so. So I'm going to click save. Now export successful. Now I want to come back here, click continue, and then choose a vault to store your data. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose personal, and now I want to select that file. So I'm going to click on select the file, click on downloads, click on Chrome password. So it's inside of here, click continue. And then we go 70 items were added to the personal vault. So we can go ahead and click on view imported items. So here's all my passwords getting imported to 1Password. Now, if you want to go ahead and see any of those passwords, just basically click onto the site like so, come to the right, and then you can go ahead and copy or click on reveal, but I'm not going to do this because obviously it's passwords I use for this account.